BOAT stands for bust out another 1,000. Well, tell you what, you want to save a little bit of that money, you can launch your boat, your jet ski, your watercraft at the Chain of Lakes State Park, absolutely free. Very nice launch facilities. Granted, sometimes it gets a little bit busy here, but hey, it's free instead of $20 or $30 to launch your boat at another place. So you'll go out the channel and it'll take you right out onto Grass Lake. It's a little bit of an idle, but the nice thing is that it is a channelway, so it's not going to be rough weather. There's not going to be lots of wakes. It's going to be fairly quiet and easy to launch your boat and pull it right back up on the trailer. Now, when you're coming in, you're going to see annual user fee required. What that's referring to is when you do go on the Chain of Lakes, that is a regulated waterway and you do have to get a Chain of Lakes sticker. Sometimes they have them here, but I wouldn't count on that. The Fox Waterway Chain of Lakes usage stickers, pick one up at a local marina or get one online and plan ahead. While you're here, check out the facilities. You can camp here, there's camping available. A lot of us don't know about it. We've got a fantastic state park this close to home. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Check out Chain of Lakes State Park today.